Hi friends, welcome to CrackQ's video series. Today we are going to discuss the important economics questions for CMAT and TISNET. For daily updates, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel CrackQ. Who divided economics into micro and macroeconomics? Ragnar Frisch has divided economics into micro and macroeconomics in the year 1933. Next question. According to which article of Indian Constitution, the Union Budget of a year also referred to as the annual financial statement? According to the Article 112 of Indian Constitution, the Union Budget of a year is also referred as annual financial statement. It is a statement of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the government for that particular year. The Union Budget is divided into two types: capital budget and revenue budget. Next question. Which country has adopted GST first? France has adopted GST first in the year 1954. Next question. Which are the two countries that have dual GST like India? Canada and Brazil have dual GST like India. What is dual GST? Dual GST means GST would be levied by both central government and the state on supply of goods or services. Other than India, Brazil and Canada are the only countries having dual GST. Which country has the second highest GST rate in the world? Argentina has the second highest GST rate in the world. India has the first highest GST rate in the world of 28% and Argentina has 27%. Next question. Which day is observed as GST Day? July 1st is observed as GST Day. Central Board of Excise and Custom has declared 1st July to be observed as GST Day. Headquarters of GST Committee is in Delhi. Next question. If income is greater than expenditure, then it is called as which type of budget? If income is greater than expenditure, it is called as surplus budget. Income is greater than expenditure, then it is surplus. It is useful for underdeveloped economy. If income is equals to expenditure, it is called balanced budget. It is useful for developed economy. If expenditure is greater than income, it is called as deficit budget. It is useful for developing but at a very big risk. Next question. LPG policy was introduced in which year? LPG policy was introduced in the year 1991. LPG means liberalization, privatization and globalization. This policy was recommended by Dr. Manmohan Singh and P.V. Narasimha Rao. Next question. When was BIFR committee established? BIFR committee means Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. It was established in the year 1987. Next question. Who is the first governor of RBI? The first governor of RBI is Sir Osborne Smith. The first Indian governor is C.D. Deshmukh. RBI headquarters is in Mumbai. It was nationalized in 1949. RBI is also known as lender of last resort.
We at CrackQ provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Next question. Every bank has to reserve a fixed percentage of its total deposit to RBI in form of cash. It is called as which ratio? This is called as cash reserve ratio. Cash reserve ratio is reserve requirements by bank deposits into 100. Next question. First regional rural bank was formed on 2nd October 1975 with the name. The first regional rural bank is Pradhama Gramin Bank. Its headquarters is in Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. It was sponsored by Syndicate Bank. Next question. When the value of elasticity of demand is infinity, then it is said to be perfectly elastic. If ED is equals to infinity, then it is perfectly elastic. If ED is equals to 1, then it is unitary elastic. If ED is less than 1, then it is relatively unelastic demand, and if ED is greater than 1, it is relatively elastic demand. Next question. Niti Aayog was started in which year? Niti Aayog was started in year 2015. 1st January 2015. Niti Aayog means National Institute for Transforming India. Next question. NSE was established in which year? NSE means National Stock Exchange. It was established in the year 1992. It is located in Mumbai. Next question. Oldest stock exchange in Asia. The oldest stock exchange in Asia is Bombay Stock Exchange. It was established in the year 1875. It is located in Dalal Street, Mumbai. Friends, CrackU is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do visit our website and download those papers for your better practice. Next question. Few sellers and large number of buyers is which type of market? It is oligopoly market. The headquarters of Rubber Board is in which city of India? The headquarters of Rubber Board is in Kottayam city of Kerala state in India. What is meant by gilt-edged markets? Gilt-edged markets means market of international securities. It is the market for government securities or securities guaranteed by the government, including treasury bills and bonds. Bilateral monopoly exists when a market has one buyer and one seller. Name of the body which regulates the stock exchanges in India is? It is SEBI. SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India. It was established in the year 1992 and headquarters is in Mumbai. Next question. People who loan money to others are called as? People who loan money to others are called as creditors. Swayam Siddha is a scheme launched by the Government of India to help women only. Swayam Siddha scheme is by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. The main reason for globalization is fast growing technological knowledge. The scheme ESI is related to. ESI is Employees State Insurance. It was established in 1952. Its headquarters is in Delhi. It is related to Social Security and Health Insurance. NEER stands for Nominal Effective Exchange Rate. It is an unadjusted weighted average rate at which one country's currency exchanges for a basket of multiple foreign currencies. NIR is an indicator of country's international competitiveness in terms of foreign exchange market. Based on economic activities, how many sectors are there in Indian economy? There are 3 sectors in Indian economy: primary, secondary and tertiary. Next question. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin aims to achieve housing for all by the year 2022. It was launched in 2015 by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi under the Ministry of Rural Development. Which one of the following is a monetary principle stating that bad money drives out good? Gresham's law is a monetary principle stating that bad money drives out good. In which of the following lists is economic planning placed? It is placed in a concurrent list. It contains subjects of common interest to both the union as well as the states. These include education, forest, trade unions, marriage, adoption. Both the central and state government can make laws in concurrent list. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website and purchase those mocks for your better practice. What does D stand for in NDTL used in economics? NDTL means the net demand and time liabilities. Therefore, D stands for demand. Double coincidence of wants is a feature of which system? It is the feature of barter system. The term bull and bear is associated with. The term bull and bear is associated with stock market. Bull market occurs when securities are on rise and bear market occurs when securities fall for a sustained period of time. Securities rise and bear is securities fall. Secondary sector of economy includes finished products or usable products. What are the sources of revenue for the central government in India? The sources of revenue for central government in India is tax on income and expenditure. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act was passed in the year. It was passed in the year 2007. A sustained rise in the general price level in an economy is called as inflation. Which economist gave the theory of opportunity cost? Gottfried Haberler gave the theory of opportunity cost. How many zonal offices does RBI has? RBI has 4 zonal offices in Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi and Chennai. It has 19 regional offices. Before nationalization, SBI was called as Imperial Bank of India. It was nationalized in the year 1955. Next question. Which finance minister had introduced the concept of service tax? Service tax was introduced by Manmohan Singh in the year 1994. Friends, CrackU is providing previous papers of TISNET exam. Please do visit our website and download them for your better practice. NABARD was founded in which year? NABARD was founded in the year 1982. NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. What is the abbreviation of PAN? Abbreviation of PAN is Permanent Account Number. It was introduced in the year 1972. Who is the author of the book Planned Economy for India? The author of the book Planned Economy for India is M. Visvesvaraya. Black Revolution is related to crude oil. Which industry is also known as sunrising industry? IT industry is also known as sunrising industry since it has developed so fast in the past 10 years. The Banking Regulation Act was passed in which year? The Banking Regulation Act was passed in the year 1949. Demography is the study of population. What does the letter E stands in e-banking? The letter E is electronic in e-banking. Amartya Sen has got Nobel Prize in the field of economics in which year? He has received the Nobel Prize in the year 1998 and he has received Bharat Ratna in the year 1999. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest patent TISSNET mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.